Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. So in the previous lecture, we studied about waterborne diseases, and today's we are going to study another very important topic, which is effects of water pollution. Now let's discuss in details. Effects of water pollution. Water pollution has serious effects on human health, aquatic life, and the environment. Now let's discuss all of these and details one by one. First one, effects on human health. Polluted water is unsafe for drinking and daily use. It can cause waterborne diseases like cholera, typhoid, diarrhea, also cause stomach infection, skin diseases, poisoning due to toxic chemicals. Contaminated water is a major cause of illness. Second one, effects on aquatic life. Water pollution disturbs aquatic ecosystems, decreases dissolved oxygen and water, causes death of fish and other organisms. Toxic substances harm aquatic species. Example, oxygen depletion. Organic waste consumes oxygen. Like mean organic matter plus O2 gas CO2 plus H2O. Lack of oxygen leads to death of aquatic life. Third one, eutrophication. Excess fertilizers and water cause rapid growth of algae. Effects: algal blooms cover water surface, block sunlight, reduce oxygen levels. This harms aquatic organisms. Fourth one, effects on plants. Polluted water affects plants by reducing growth, damaging plant tissues, affecting photosynthesis. Fifth one, effects on environment. Water pollution disturbs natural balance, destroys ecosystems, reduces biodiversity, affects food chain. Sixth one, effects on soil and agriculture. Using polluted water for irrigation reduces soil fertility and reduces harmful chemicals into crops. Seventh one, economic effects. Water pollution leads to increased cost of water treatment, loss in fisheries, damage to tourism. A summary of the effects of water pollution. Water pollution causes diseases in human, death of aquatic life, eutrophication, environmental imbalance, agricultural damage, economic loss. So my dear student, this is all about today's lecture and effects of water pollution. I hope you understand. So if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.